I'll show you step by step how to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook and make easy commissions without running ads or spamming. Most people post the wrong way and never get clicks, but today I'll show you a proven method to get free traffic, free targeted traffic, quality traffic that actually converts. I'll reveal the best Facebook groups to post in, the exact post format that work, and secret engagement trick to boost your reach. Stay till the end because I'll share a Fiverr affiliate hack that can double your earnings and so much more. Make sure to watch this video until the end. If you miss one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions. So I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using different platforms, getting free traffic from different social media platforms like Facebook, like Instagram, Reels, TikTok, YouTube, and TikTok, Pinterest, and more. Okay, in this video, I'll show you an easy beginner friendly method that you can use to get your first commissions as a beginner. So let's get started. This is my affiliate account dashboard, and as you can see, this month it's from the first day of this month until the date we need 22. I made $17,329. Okay, just using completely free traffic from different social media platforms. I will talk about this later and explain more. So for people who want to start promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So what you will do, it's super easy and simple. You just need to go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, just sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy and simple. So you just need to come to this page and just scroll down, keep scrolling down and go to company and click over here on affiliates. Like this, you will be to this Fiverr affiliate website and you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will start promoting with Fiverr. They are really paying good commissions. For if you get just few customers, you don't need 1,000 of customers to make good commissions. Just few customers, you can make so much money. Okay, so you can check this website, you can get idea and more. So to create your affiliate account, you just need to click here on join now, and here you go. The sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. As you can see, you just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no, and choose your country from here. Your location, it doesn't matter. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. So just search for your country from here and choose your language from here. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next. You will answer next few questions. They are super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, CTR, and so on. What you need to do next is you need to open your Facebook account. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from you. Then I'll share with you which service you need to promote to those customers. Okay, so let's go to Facebook. Go and open your Facebook account like this. Open Facebook account, click on the search for Shopify. Search for Shopify. You have here filters. Okay, and scroll down, click on groups. We need Facebook groups, and here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups about Shopify. Okay, you have this one, Shopify, and guys, for public groups, that's fine. Even if you didn't join those groups, you can use those groups. But for private groups, you need to click on join so you can start using those private groups. Okay, so I'm gonna search. So let's pick one group, for example, like this one, Shopify website design store promotion. I'm gonna click on this group. Just click on the group that you want to use. You have limited groups. You have like 100 of groups that you can get free traffic from. Okay, so let's choose this group, Shopify website design and store promotion. I'm gonna scroll down and here you go. I want to make e-commerce Shopify website. Can anyone help me? Okay, you guys can see people search for, they want to start Shopify store. Okay, so this one search for Shopify website. If we scroll down, and here you go, here is another person, I need Shopify expert. If we scroll more, here is another one. You guys can see I need Shopify expert to help me with my store marketing. Okay, so what I will do, I will go back to Fiverr. Okay, go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search for Shopify. Okay, let me show you. Okay, Shopify. Okay, search for Shopify store or Shopify. I'm gonna search for, you have Shopify marketing, Shopify store. Let's search for Shopify store design. Okay, search for Shopify store design, scroll down, and here you go. You will find here a lot of people who provide this service on Fiverr. What you need to do, you need to choose good seller that can do this work for those customers on Facebook groups, and provide them a good Shopify store that they can use to run this business. Okay, maybe to start e-commerce, drop shipping, or any business. Okay, so to choose a good seller, always focus on level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, and pro sellers. Those sellers will be good sellers for you that you can use to promote this service. Okay, so let me choose one of those sellers. I will do Shopify store or Shopify website design. This one, like this one, guys, is good one. This one is top rated seller. Okay, you see here, let's choose this one. I'm gonna click on his service like this. Just click on his service, and here you go, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. I want you to pay close attention in this step. This, guys, this business is working. Okay, and this is the proof. Do you see here 14 orders in queue? People already paying for this service. Okay, it's already working. People, they buy those services. Okay, and a lot of people search for, they don't know how to make Shopify store. They need, like those sellers, they need Shopify expert who can design a good Shopify store. Okay, so what you will do next, you will, so let me show you. You will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller like this, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click on your dashboard. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on dip link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go, you just created your first affiliate link with Fiverr that you can use to promote this service and earn a commission. Okay, so what I will do next is I need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook group. Okay, on this Facebook group, so let's go back to Facebook, go back to this Facebook group about Shopify website design, and scroll down, and you have a lot of people here. Search for Shopify expert. Okay, you guys can see here, like this one, I need Shopify expert to help me with my store marketing. If we scroll more, I want to start e-commerce business, don't know what product to sell. You can go to Fiverr and you can also search for winning products for winning products, and you will find a service that you can provide to this person. If I scroll more, let me see, Shopify expert needed. You have, guys, you have a lot of people here search for Shopify expert. Okay, so you just need to provide your service to those people. Okay, here is another person. Okay, you see this one, just posted this post today, just today. Okay, need Shopify expert for projects, budget $500. Okay, they have $500 budget. Second, help with store setup, theme customization and optimization, share portfolio and experience. This one is like this one. Let's choose, for example, this person. So you have two options. You can click on comments and you can comment to this person, or you can click on his name and you can click on message and you can reach out to this person with a good and friendly message about your service that you are promoting. Okay, about Shopify store, Shopify design store. Okay, so to create a professional and friendly message, we can use AI. We will use ChatGPT like this. Go and open your ChatGPT account and ask him create a professional, okay, professional message, okay, that I can send to people on Facebook, okay, groups who search for Shopify, Shopify design store. Okay, so create a professional message that I can send to people on Facebook groups who search for Shopify design store, okay, to buy my Shopify store design service from my website. I will click here. You guys can create this message or you can create your own message. I'm giving you the idea. You can go and improve it. Okay. I saw that you are looking for a professional Shopify store design. I specialize in creating high converting, fully optimized Shopify store that are designed to help you attract more customers and boost sales. Okay. This is a professional message. I can copy this message like this. Okay, let me know if you have any question. Also you can see this, you can check out my service and pricing here. You can put your website, your affiliate link here. Okay, so I will go back to Facebook and I will send this message to this person who searched for Shopify design, Shopify expert, to help him. Okay, and here I need to put my affiliate link. So what I will do, I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started this business and you have new account, you can't see this option Fiverr Step A old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account and I have been doing this business for over 5 years, like I said in the beginning. So for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. It's almost the same. Just copy your affiliate link from here. This affiliate link is too much long. I will make it short link. You guys can go to Google and search for short URL, and you can find a lot of websites that you can use to make your affiliate links short links. So for example, I'm going to use this one. You just need to put your affiliate link here, okay, and click on shorten, and you will get short affiliate link that you can use. Here you go. It's professional, clear, and looking good. Go back to Facebook, and I will put this message here. Okay, guys, I made a lot of commissions with this method when I started this business. It's still working. Of course, it's still working because people, new customers every single day posting on those Facebook groups searching for services. Okay, and I made $1,000 with this method in the beginning. Okay, so here you go. Your message will be sent like this. You see this? I saw that you are looking. That's a professional message. Okay, so this is the method that you can use. This is the first method. So if you don't want to use this, you guys can create a good and an engaging Facebook post here. Okay, so you can go to let's go back to ChatGPT. You can go to ChatGPT again and ask him, okay, make, okay, I'm gonna ask him, I want to use this message on Facebook, okay, Facebook post. Just ask him. You guys start using ChatGPT. It's very important. AI will help you a lot. You see this? Looking for a professional store design. If you want a high converting professional Shopify store that attracts customers, and you can put this. Okay, you can also put your link here, or you can ask people, if you are people who are interested, to reach out to you. Okay, and they can send you a message, and then you can talk to with those customers, explain the service. If they ask you any question, you can always answer their question. If you have any problems, get back to ChatGPT and you will get a professional messages that can convert and convince those people to buy the service from you. Okay, so you can put this message, for example, create a post like this, and I will put this message here. Okay, you see this? You can also add a picture. we can go back to this seller on on Fiverr, to this one. This seller has video, which is good. You can use video if you want, or you can use this picture. Okay, so for example, like this picture, professional Shopify design. You can click on save, and you can save this picture, and you can post this post on Facebook as a service to get customers. Okay, you can go back to Facebook, click here, and upload your picture. Okay, let me show you. Like, it's super easy, but it takes time. You need to know how we can convince those people to buy a service from you. Okay, because your customers are already here on Facebook. You just need to convince them. That's it. You have everything. I shared with you everything. Which service you should promote, which people search for the service. So what you need to do, it's like you need to connect buyers with sellers, and that's it. Okay? And here you go. Do you see? We have a good and professional post that we created. So you can put your affiliate link here for people who want, if they want to reach out to you. So for example, I'm gonna put, let me show you. Okay, I will go back to this website here, so I can copy my affiliate link. I will go back to Facebook, and I can put my message here, paste. Sorry, I can put my affiliate link, and here you go. Do you see this? You need to click on post, and your post will be published. Okay, or if you don't want to use your affiliate link here, you can create here a message. If you are interested and you want to get Shopify design store service, or if you are just interested, reach out to me and or DM me, and you will get messages from customers who want to get this service. Okay, and that's it. And you can click on post, and that's it. That's how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook. I shared with you guys two options. You can send your messages to those people, or you can create a post. Okay, so you can test those two ways, two methods, and see which method is working for you, and start using this method that's working for you. Okay, thank you so much for watching. For people who want to take this business seriously, I want to invite you guys to join my exclusive course. I have created a step-by-step guide that shows you how I'm making over $15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. I'm not using just Facebook groups. The best traffic source and the quality traffic that I'm getting is coming from YouTube. YouTube is the best traffic source that's making me a lot of commissions. And that's it. If you want, feel free to reach out to me in my email address, and I will get back to you, and I'll share with you everything. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments.